Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your deleted math notes on iPhone using the latest iOS 18 update. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is open your calculator app on the iPhone that you're using, and then go ahead and select this little calculator icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you select that, go to Math Notes, which is the third option down. And once you select Math Notes, you're going to see that there's probably nothing here if you deleted them all. Go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And once you do that, you're going to see an option for recently deleted. Go ahead and select that. Then go ahead and tap once again on the three dots in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on Select Notes. And now you're going to see that you can select them individually. If you want to go ahead and bring them all back, then go ahead and tap on Move All. And once you tap on Move All, you're going to just go ahead and select Math Notes on the next screen, and it will restore all of your notes to that screen once you tap on Done. So we go back to our Math Notes, and we can see that they are all restored to the screen. Hopefully that helps you guys out. If so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.